there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to be looking at multiplying decimals, 41.6 times 0.02. Now, I want you to think of multiplying this without the decimals first. Okay, so I'm just going to take the decimals off. We'll deal with them at the end. And I'm going to take the 416 and I'm going to write it across the top in its expanded form. So 416 really means 400, 110, and a 6. And we're going to multiply that by the 2 on the outside. Now, when we fill the boxes on the inside, we do that by multiplying. So 2 times 400 would give me 800. 2 times 10 would give me 20. And 2 times 6 would give me 12. If you're wondering why we do it this way, is sometimes when we, especially with students early on in their multiplication experience, we want them to do multiplication that's very easy for them. And anything that ends in a 0 is easier multiplication, because think about 2 times 400. You really do 2 times 4 and then put 2 zeros on the end. 2 times 10, you do 2 times 1 and put a 0 on the end. Now, you're going to take then what's in the boxes and add it together. So 800, 20, and 12. And so if you add those together, you'll get 832. Now, let's bring back in the decimal. You'll remember that we had 1 place behind the decimals, 2 places behind the decimals, 3 places behind the decimals in the problem. That means my answer needs to also have 3 decimal places. So I'm going to start the decimal here and move it 3 places. There's 1 and 2 and 3. So my final answer here should be 0.832. And I hope that helps you just with an organization tool of how to do the multiplication, then get the answer from inside the boxes, and of course, move that decimal at the end. All right. Bye-bye.